It's a 2018 Mazda CX-5. A compact SUV you can be proud of. This CX-5 handles like a sports car and looks as poised and powerful as a predatory animal on the hunt. It comes with all the amenities you need. SKYACTIVA G engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Mazda Connect, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, external memory control, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, power liftgate, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. For all the things that drive you, there's Mazda. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.